Good morning, good evening, friends and family to the Unrooted YouTube channel. Um, like I said in my previous video, I don't know what's going on. These people are sending me stuff that they want me to go over and give my reaction to, and I'm not even gonna lie to you. Sometimes I wish that people don't send me nothing because I rebuke in the name of Jesus. And yeah, so Taylor Swift. I never was a fan of Taylor Swift. Um, I already pretty much knew this already, that she was and you gonna see, and I really recommend that you guys really stop listening to the music industry because they're poisoning your mind, they're making you crazy, and yeah, it's not good. So you don't have to listen to me, but let's get into it. So somebody sent me this, and yeah, I seen a little bit of it. I saw like the preview, the thumbnail. I saw that, and I was like, oh, why? But okay, let's get into it, guys. So Taylor Swift is right here. She's right here in the center, and they're displaying whatever she's doing to right here. Okay. And they're glorifying that? No, 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 no. Let's slow that down if I can. Let me go back up. Wait a minute. Did y'all see that? Is this slow? Let me see. Oh no, that's fast. What? Wait a minute. Let's go slow here. Okay, look, guys. So I saw her face. Look at her face. It's perfectly normal. Then it starts to go crazy. Look. Look at that. Come on, y'all. Wow. And then they're over here praising it. So, so I just wanted to look at that. Um, I don't know what's going on. Um, but I really strongly recommend you guys watch who you listen to because it's a thing called frequency, and there's a thing called reverse music. I'm pretty sure you may have heard of that, but if you play the record backwards, it guys, you got to stop feeding yourself, feeding this demonic stuff to your spirit. You really need to stop. But who am I? I don't know nothing. I'm just completely crazy. No one know. No, I'm just talking, wasting my breath. Just trying to get y'all to do stuff that I have no idea about. I don't know what I'm talking about. And that's fine. I really just want y'all to just give y'all life to Christ. And stay away from this demonic music. You know, I mean, there are good Christian music out there. There really are, and I'm not talking about Kurt Franklin. I'm not talking about them. You know, CC Winans is good. You know, Yolanda Adams is good. You know, I think it's called. His name is Morris Sapp. Yeah, Morris Sapp is good. You know, there's other good people out there. You know, y'all don't have to keep listening to this crap. So I just wanted to just react to that. Someone sent me that. If you have any videos that you guys want me to check out, that's Christian based or things like that, you know, follow me on Instagram and subscribe, hit that like button, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.